In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Take Profit Trader to TradingView. It's a straightforward process that will enhance your trading experience by combining powerful analysis tools with effective trading strategies. Let's get started and make sure you're all set up to optimize your trading activities. First things first, you'll need to sign in to TradingView. If you already have an account, simply head over to the TradingView website and enter your login credentials. For those who haven't yet created an account, it's a quick process. You'll just need to sign up with your email or use the social media login options for convenience. Once you're signed in, you'll find yourself on the main TradingView interface, which hosts a variety of tools and features designed for analyzing financial markets. Now, direct your attention to the top center of the page, where you'll see the option labeled Super Charts. This is your gateway to a more advanced charting experience. Go ahead and click on it. Super Charts offers a detailed and multi-dimensional view of market conditions, allowing you to apply a wide range of technical analysis tools. As you become familiar with its features, you'll notice how much more refined your analysis can become. With Super Charts now open, the next step is to connect to a trading panel. Look towards the lower left corner of the Super Charts interface, where you'll find the Trading Panel button. Clicking on this will open a new pane on your screen. The trading panel is where you can connect your broker account, which in this case is Take Profit Trader. This connection allows you to execute trades directly from TradingView using the data and analysis you're viewing in real time. Before you proceed to connect, ensure you have your Take Profit Trader account credentials handy. When you click on the Trading panel, a list of available broker options will appear. Scroll through and select Take Profit Trader from the list. You may need to input your account details or authorize the connection through a pop-up window. Just follow the on-screen instructions to complete this action. It's crucial to double-check that all information is entered correctly to avoid any connection issues. Upon successfully connecting your Take Profit Trader account, you'll be able to manage trades directly from TradingView. This seamless integration means you can analyze charts, identify trade opportunities, and execute trades all within a single platform. The synergy between TradingView's sophisticated analysis tools and Take Profit Trader's trading capabilities can significantly enhance your trading efficiency. If you encounter any issues during this process, don't hesitate to refer to TradingView's support resources or consult Take Profit Trader's help desk for guidance. They provide detailed documentation and responsive support that can assist in troubleshooting any problems. And there you have it. You've now linked Take Profit Trader to TradingView, setting yourself up for a more immersive and effective trading experience. Enjoy utilizing these two powerful tools together to make more informed trading decisions. Happy trading!